Talo. My name is Boyd Lauano. I played the character of Tavita. What I did is to prepare to connect myself with this character. It was hard for me to find ways because of the character and his part in the film, but as I was playing the character, it took me to, back in Samoa. Growing up in Samoa, you have guys that are, you want to be part of one group, and then you also want to be part of another group. You don't want to be anybody's enemy, and that's what made me connect with this character, because Tavita, he was actually on the good side, and then he was also on the bad side. He was a bad side, but he didn't want to do anything bad. He just wanted to fit in. So I took that role and got myself in character. At the same time as I was doing the role, I realized that it's something that does happen every day, and I was one of them back when I was in high school. I never did want anybody to be to not like me or anything. I always wanted everybody to like me, and I wanted to do this and do that and make sure one party was okay, the opposite party was okay. Just try and make things smooth in school. So Tavita's character was mainly that. It's something hard for anybody to cope with, but yet Tavita's character, his friend, he was so touching that he was forgiving. So when I was playing the part, I was trying to put myself in his shoes, begging for forgiveness, to find ways to. I was thinking of places that, where I can't, there's no words to explain it. With his faith that he had, he knew regardless, everything will be okay. And I hope all those who watch this film will see that that's something that we need in the world today. So I enjoyed my time being part of this film. Especially, I did learn a lot, even though some things that I already knew, but it was a reminder for a lot of us, especially for my character, since my character was the one who started the feud and took TALA away from their family.